what's going on in the yard. The yard seems to be chaos, so I thought I'd have a quick video of what's going on in the yard. Okay. Tim has just been out there lining up trailers. So we're going to have a quick look at what trailers he's been lining up. He's getting a few trailers back now. Mind you, it is mid-November, so not surprising. So we're just going to have a quick look and see what he's been doing in the yard. So here we come down. We're getting a few more trailers back now. After silage, there's a few there. We've still got an awful lot of trailers out. Some flat trailers down there. I'm not going to walk through the mud. And then there's a row there of 14, 16 and 18 ton tippers. Tim's been lining them up today and done a good job. So we are getting them back in and getting them serviced now, ready for next season. We don't want to be caught out with an early harvest or whatever. So the idea is that these will all go, the ones that haven't, some have already been, but the ones that haven't been through the workshop we'll be going through. Nice fuel bowser there, just returned from hire. And I do believe Tim's actually just sold it, which is a shame. It's a cracking fuel bowser. Something we refurbished here ourselves. We even put the inspection hatch in the top. I don't know if you can see it, there's an inspection hatch up there. But it's an awesome piece of kit, an awesome piece of kit. So, but with that blue tank there, but it's been sold. It's been sold, it's going. Right, we're going to do a quick walk around the yard today to see what's going on. Lot to do. Even though Christmas is only sort of a month away, 5 weeks away, we haven't slowed. We haven't slowed down. The higher side's really busy. So, quick walk around the yard and see what's going on. Nice refurbished fuel tank there, ready to go. 3 tractors here just returned from hire. Again, these tractors, if you want to buy a tractor or hire a tractor, these are for sale. We've got new ones coming. These two here are the year 2022, so new this year. They're available for sale. Auto Quad 615RR tractors. Brilliant tractors, just come back from hire, fully serviced by the main dealer. So if you're looking for a good used tractor, give young Tim a ring. We've got some fuel tanks here that have all been stripped and are awaiting to be painted. They'll be going in the paint shop in the next day or two. That's an awesome piece of kit. It's new to us, huge big Cummins engine in it, 750 CFM. Awesome, makes a shot blasting job totally different. So there we've got a new addition to us. Probably could do with a coat of paint, which you'll probably get shortly. One of the 13 tonners just come back from hire on the wash bay. Fuel tanks being washed. Now we're going to the workshop. Another tank here, just been finished, pre-sold, on its way to a customer somewhere in, oh, that was going to Somerset. So there we go. Quite quick visit in the workshop. Forward here, wiring in our new workbenches. Morning. We've just bought some new workbenches. We're putting some new workstations. So there's a little bit of work in progress. But we've got new members of staff coming. 2 new members, which we're very excited about. So we're getting some new workstations put in. We've had these brought over from Ireland. Cracking workbenches. So Paul is now in the process of getting them fitted up, ready to work. Paul's a jack of all trades. You know, he always normally works with a smile. So smile, that's it, Paul, smile. Just smile for the camera if nothing else. All right. See, he's smiling. He's smiling. We've got Bowser chassis here that's in for rebuild. The tank is just out there gone into shop blast. So you can see here, when we do these Bowsers, we actually take them down properly and strip them right down. We do the prop properly. Hitch, we strip down. The draw tube, we've got a very slight bend in it, so we've got a brand new draw tube in it. New brake cables. The brakes we strip right down to do, and it'll have new lights fitted. So everything we do here, we try and do very thoroughly. Oops, here, another workstation. Stuart's here trying to look busy. Because he saw me come in with the camera.
Make sure everything looks nice and tidy.
Oh, look, that's it, look. Go on, show. Look at that. Hey.
No more wrestling around trying to find
No. That's good. Another trailer chassis in here for rebuild, as you can see. Case fabrication way, we're making some stillages up, and I'll show you some of them in a minute. We're making some, or adapting some stillages for what we do. I'll show you a bit more of them in a minute. Another trailer there on a ramp, waiting to be done. Elliot's over there, rebuilding a cement mixer. Smile, Elliot.
Hello. We're surviving.
Normally, you can never get a word in with Elliot. But as soon as the camera comes out, Elliot goes quite shy and he looks busy. But he's doing a good job. He's doing a good job. So we'll have a quick walk through the shop. Quick walk around the shop today. Plenty of stuff here for sale. So if you need a whacker plate, you need a cement mixer, you need a water pump, fuel tank, whatever, toolboxes, we need toys. Look, plenty of toys. Plenty of toys. Plenty. Chrome polish, one of our best selling lines. Apparently these are a new thing on me. You plug them in and you put them under your air freshener and it lights your air freshener up. Not quite sure the logic in that. Tools, plenty of tools. Plenty here, and plenty going on. Here's 2 more mixers that have just come out, ready for sale. There's our new meeting room. More of a video on that soon, and as you see, we've still got step pallets for steps. Right, let's go down the yard and have a quick look. So we've got plenty going on. Good week next week. We've got 2 new members of staff joining us, which we're very excited about. Very pleased, both very capable people. Looking forward to that. Finding good staff is very hard, and you may have noticed we have done a recruitment video. How that works, I don't know, but anyway, it has worked because we've had people contacting us. So we're very lucky to find more staff, particularly in the current climate. You know, people are very sought after. So we're very pleased. We will welcome them next week. So very much look forward to that. So we just come down the yard here, have a quick look. 3 Lavington trailers just come back from hire, due to be washed off. Again, these are for sale. If you want a good Lavington trailer, come and see us. I think some of these are 2022. Silage size sheets, whatever you want, we can certainly accommodate that. Some fuel barrels there waiting for refurbishment. Cat 943 track excavator, or cat loading shovel, track loading shovel. That's just been sold. That'll be leaving us the next day or so. There's our old JCB. There's a video on that. Another loader. I'm going to be taking it out very, very shortly. I've got a load to go and collect for ourselves. Sometimes you run out of things to say on here, and even for me, and that's quite rare. So, coming around here now, we've got man cage, or if you can see that, man cage there that's sold. 2 nice Atlas Copco compressors. Both of those are for sale. Some fuel tanks. I think the green one here is actually sold. Brand new JCB telehandler buckets. We sell loads of those. There's plenty here. If you need a bucket, give us a call. Our livestock trailer there, and that's for sale. Anyone wants a livestock trailer? Been good. Been right through the workshop. Been thoroughly serviced. New ball hitch on it. Good to go. Another fuel barrels are there in for some work. Snow ploughs. We've got a few. If it snows, my staff will get to work. That's a dead cert. The pond's filling up. We always joke that the JCB factory's got lakeside. I think we've got sort of puddle side really, but it's all right. It's quite nice. There's actually fish in there, which is actually quite good. We'll come into the office. They're all hide behind their computer screens now. Michelle, They hate being filmed. They all hate being filmed. You busy? Harvey's down here.
I'm usually the one behind the camera, not in front of it.
Well, needs must today, I'm afraid, Harvey. Harvey's there editing things. Look.
I'm currently making the PowerPoint video for the meeting room.
Right.
Just finishing that off.
He spends all day watching me on video.
And all
job,
night.
what a job you have. And all night, yeah, you go home. What a job Harvey has. Look, it looks very good with all these TV screens here, doesn't it? Things like that.
Wonderful.
Look, hey?
Just need to put that up on the wall.
Just need to put that up on the wall, yeah. A picture there. Stuart Trays needs to go on the wall. But yeah, of course, warm in here. Do you want to turn the heating down a bit, Harvey? Put a jumper.
It's Michelle, not me.
But I left. See, when they come upstairs to my office, they always leave the door open. So what we're doing now is we'll leave the door open to them, see if they notice. But do you know what? I don't think they do. The screen. I'll be touching the button on the top.
He's still filming, even when it's dark. It's
yeah, but I want to see what I'm doing. Yeah. I want to look at myself.
It's irritating, but yeah, you just have to tap the screen.
Yeah, I'll be touching the button on the top.
Yeah, just tap the screen.
Right, okay.
I love that I'm so vain, singing in the background.
You want to do a song, Harvey, while we're here?
I'm not sure I can, copyright reasons.
What that means is Harvey can't sing. But anyway, we're going to get him singing later on in the year. He knows a bit about this. There's a thing coming on later on in the year. We might do a voiceover, but yes, yeah, we've got Harvey on the microphone. Probably a few gin and tonics or a few vodkas, and we'll see. Right, you see him hiding upstairs?
No idea. He's probably disappeared somewhere.
Let's go and find. Let's go and find out where he is. See if he's got any donuts on his desk. Right, now we're going upstairs. See if we can catch him working.
Selling stuff.
He's selling stuff.
Just doing invoicing.
He's doing invoicing?
Yeah, I'm doing invoicing. Just trying to see.
This is where Tim hides out during the day.
Just see if I can sell some more stuff with it.
And he's busy. Look, he's got his tool catalogues on there. He's busy. He's busy. He's busy. Probably texting the Pizza Hut.
Very rude. Texting a man about fuel, Bowser.
Ah, that's good. You keep doing that. That's my desk over the side. As you can see, my desk hasn't got much paperwork on it because I endeavour to get mine sorted.
That's because I'm
But
busy.
we have our CCTV screens on the wall, so we can look at Kent Depot. We can look at everywhere on the TV screens and see what's going on in the workshops. Well, I'll turn off in a minute, but we can look at everywhere what's going on. Our vehicle tracking system comes on one of these screens, so we can look where our vehicles are. So all very good, all very helpful. But yeah, we're up that way. And oh look, and have you noticed? Tim's got some healthy fruit juice.
I've actually brought you that.
Oh, is it? It's
It's
not
a
good.
zesty, refreshing. I've got some lot.
Alright, so Tim, notice that. Tim is now. Where did you buy this fruit juice from, Tim?
From the GCS retail outlet, we not only sell zesty, refreshing drinks, we sell the sugary stuff as well, and anything else you could possibly want. Come on down. That
was quite good, Tim.
All
Quite
of it,
good.
yeah.
Well, because what we have got here, looking on Tim's desk, look, we're very lucky. We've got some brand new JCB. I've got to put the camera on it with help. Some brand new JCB flags. So, watch soon. We have a home for those. Straight from the JCB factory, via via our local dealer, which is really good. So Tim's got his models over there, and the John Deere game of Monopoly. Do we sell that Monopoly in our shop,
It's
Tim?
funny you should say that, because yes, we do.
What about the models there, Tim?
Yes, we sell them as well. Yeah,
We sell those. That's
But
really good.
I do find that the John Deere Opoly, if you want to fall out with a family at Christmas, that's the perfect thing for you.
That's why we've been selling so many.
Yeah.
So have we got limited numbers left?
Very limited. Be quick.
Be quick.
Be quick.
Right.
If you want a trailer.
If you know, I've done the trailer bit.
Oh,
Tim.
go on.
So you notice I have left the door open for Tim, so Tim got cold as well because everyone does it to me.
Thanks.
So-
Good of you. Good of you.
Anyway, yes. Anyway, keep up the good work, Tim.
I'm going to sell some more stuff.
Sell some more stuff. That's
I'm
good.
working
Thank
on
you.
it. Working on
He's got the hang of this. He really has got the hang of this now. There's another GCS Bowser here. This one's a bit bespoke. We did actually. So now it's going to put it on the end of with an AdBlue tank, and that's coming from a local contractor for a service. So been asked of them to carry on using our services. So there we go. Right, well that's a tour of the yard. Michelle's come out now, going to the shop. We're going to get the bit outside tidied up, but we'll get there soon. But anyway, trying to catch you at work.
I'm not at work. We're never at work. We're all too happy to be at work.
See, I never even had to pay him to say that either. He did that on his own back. So well done, Elliot. There'll be a jelly baby later on.
£2 an hour for that.
He's a good right. So anyway, as a little bit of a tour of our yard today, we've had a very good week this week. We've had a bit of change around our working systems, which has worked very well. We've got a happy workforce, which is really very encouraging. A happy workforce. 2 new members joining the team next week. So very much looking forward to that. So no doubt you'll meet them. They'll be on the video in the very near future. So from all of us here at GCS this week, thanks for watching. Please click and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and more videos will come very shortly. Thank you very much.